In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling JavaScript on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromium browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then you want to select on the right side where it says Site Settings, and then scrolling down, select Additional Permissions. And there should be an item in here that says JavaScript. If you keep going down all the way to the bottom under Content, select JavaScript. Sites can use JavaScript. Select that, and then you want to make sure Sites can use JavaScript is enabled here, the first option, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.